Hi everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial we're gonna draw a skin for our character. Actually, it is better to start from gray color when we want to color our art, because it makes our art more natural and it gives it more natural view. We begin to paint above our line art layer and we create a layer above it. And we change the layer name so that we do not get confused. We choose an airbrush and go to the setting and make sure that you tick anti-alias. Make sure that it is soft. I created a color set for myself. You can do it too if you want. I will share this file with you. You can see that it contains some different colors. For base, I choose this one and I go back to the art. We start to color above all line art. And don't worry, you can always disable the layer above to see your line art. And this is just a foundation. We start to color. You can try different colors from your color panel, and you can try different colors to see what color suits the best. Again, I go to my color set to choose the second color for the foundation, and I go back to my art, and with that airbrush I start to color again. So you can see that the base is being created. Right now we are just on one layer, the layer we started from, and because we want to keep this as simple as possible, but if you want to, you can create another layer above it and start to color on it, but for now we just keep just this layer. This is the end of part 1. I will upload the part 2 as soon as possible, so make sure you don't miss it. Thanks for watching this video. Bye.